Hey there, future moguls! Welcome to your ultimate guide to building a personal brand in just 30 days. Ready to build your personal brand in just 30 days? Let's dive in. This journey is going to be transformative, and by the end of it, you'll have a brand that truly represents who you are. First things first, you gotta know your why. Understanding your motivation is crucial. Why do you want to build a personal brand? This question will be your guiding star throughout this process. Maybe you want to share your expertise, inspire others, or just make a name for yourself. Whatever your reason, it's valid and important. Pin down your purpose and let it guide you. This clarity will help you stay focused and motivated. Day 1 to 7. Define your niche. This is where you identify what sets you apart from the crowd. Think about what makes you unique. Your unique skills, experiences, and perspectives are your greatest assets. What are you passionate about? Passion fuels authenticity and keeps you engaged. What problems can you solve? This is your foundation. Identifying the problems you can solve will help you position yourself as an expert. It'll help you stand out in a crowded market. Your niche is your unique space in the vast digital landscape. Days 8 to 14, create consistent content. Consistency is key to building a recognizable brand. Start with a content calendar. This will help you stay organized and ensure you're regularly putting out content. Plan out what you're going to post and when. This planning phase is crucial for maintaining consistency. Stick to a regular schedule. Your audience will come to expect and look forward to your content. Whether it's blogs, videos, or social media posts, consistency is key. It builds trust and keeps your audience engaged. Days 15 to 21. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Engagement is a two-way street. Join conversations in your niche. This not only increases your visibility, but also establishes you as a thought leader. Make people feel like they're part of your journey. Share your highs and lows, your successes and failures. Engagement builds trust and loyalty. A loyal audience is your biggest asset. Days 22 to 28. Collaborate and network. Building relationships is crucial. Reach out to others in your field. Collaboration can open doors to new opportunities. Collaboration can expand your audience and add credibility to your brand. It's a win-win situation. Attend events, webinars, and keep growing that network. The more people you know, the more opportunities you'll have. Day 29. Analyze and adjust. Look at your progress. Reflection is key to growth. What's working? What's not? Be honest with yourself. Use analytics to understand your audience better and tweak your strategy. Data-driven decisions are powerful. And finally, day 30. Celebrate your wins. You've worked hard and it's important to acknowledge your achievements. Acknowledge how far you've come. Every step forward is a victory. Building a personal brand is a journey, not a destination. Keep refining, keep growing. There's always room for improvement. Remember, your personal brand is you. Authenticity is your superpower. Be true to yourself, and your audience will appreciate it. So go out there and make your mark. You got this. The world is waiting for your unique voice. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Your support means the world to us. See you next time, Trailblazers. Keep shining and stay awesome.